In this video, I will show you how to use Stable Video Diffusion online to convert images to videos. Before we begin, make sure you hit subscribe and tap the bell icon to get daily tech videos. Stable Video Diffusion is an online tool that can generate videos from images using AI. It takes a reference image and then generates a video by animating various parts in it, such as people and objects. It is free to use and there is no sign-up or registration. Let's see how to use it. Go to the Stable Video Diffusion website using the link in description. Let the interface load and you just need to wait for a few seconds. Now upload an image that you want to convert to video. Start the process and then wait. After a few seconds, it will show you the generated video. It is a 4-second click and you can play it and even download it on your device. In the same way, you can repeat the process and convert other images to videos using AI for free. If you found this video helpful, then check out more tech videos on our channel. Thanks for watching.